and good morning. How are you all, my little scientist of grade 2? I'm your science teacher, Miss Gul, and today we will do the page number 21 and 22 of your school workbook of science. It's your school workbook of science, but before going to do this, we will perform an activity. Let's do an activity. Okay, students, we read about the measuring instruments. For measuring the length, we use the ruler, meter rod, or the measuring tape. In the previous activity, we learned how to measure the length of the book through the ruler. Now, in this activity, we learned how to measure the length of the table through this meter rod. This is the meter rod. The numbering. You can see the numbering on the meter rod. This is the centimeter side. Look here, it's the centimeter side and it's the table. Let's measure the length of the table. So the length of the table is, we can say 90, 91, 92, 93. So the length of the table is 93 centimeter. So we can say the length of this table is 93 centimeter. Now look at this instrument. It is the 2-pen balance is used to measure the weight. Let's measure the weight of a book through this instrument. It is the book. Let's measure its weight. One pen we put a book and the other pen we will put some weight. Here are some weight. This is the weight of 200 grams. Add some more weight. This is the weight of 100 grams. When the weight of both the balance become equal, the needle come at the center point. So it means the weight of the book is heavier than the weight. So we add some more weight. 50 grams. Now the needle is at the center point, so we can say the weight on both the sides of both the pens are equal. Let's measure the weight of the book. 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram. 200 gram plus 100 gram plus 50 grams becomes 350. So we can say the weight of this book is 350 grams. I think through this activity you can learn how to measure the weight through the 2-pen balance. Hope you enjoyed the activity. Let's do the page number 21. First of all, write the date, homework and the day over here. Question number 1. What are measuring instruments? Measuring instruments कौन से होते हैं? The machines होती हैं that are used to measure things are called measuring instruments. The machines that are used to measure things are called measuring instruments. Question number 2. What is used to measure the following? Okay, which instrument we use to measure the following? Length and distance. We know that we use ruler, meter rod or measuring tape for measuring the length. So you can write here ruler or meter rod or measuring tape. Weight. How can we measure the weight? Through 2-pen balance, or you can write the weighing machine. Time, you can write wristwatch or clock. Temperature, you can write thermometer. Liquids, we use cups or beakers for measure the liquid. Question number 3, draw a 2-pen balance. Here thermometer, here and quartz clock. So draw the 2-pen balance and the thermometer and the quartz here. Question number 4, write the names and their uses. So the picture is given here. You have to write first its name and then their uses. First, look at the picture. It's the picture of a measuring tape. Write the name of the instrument and then it uses. The picture is measuring tape and it is used to measure the length or distance. Let's take out the next page, page number 22. Write the date, homework and the day over here. Second, the other instrument is the thermometer. So write thermometer here and it is used to measure the what? Yes, it is used to measure the temperature. Third, the other instrument is weighing machine. Weighing machine is used to measure the weight. Fourth instrument is stopwatch. Stopwatch. It is used to measure the time. And the fifth picture is beakers or cups. It is used to measure the liquids. Hope you got very well. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.